Hey peeps, how are you doing? I hope you're very well. It is Ruth Noel here, the creator of Tax Twerk, and I'm doing a quick video where I'm actually going to show you the results from the solo ads that I run. So just before I do that, I want to say a big thank you for checking this video out, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are around the world. If you do have any questions, if anything comes up for you as you're watching this video, then definitely go ahead and put it in the comments and I will do my best to actually answer you as soon as possible. So right now I'm recording, I'm doing this video from my phone, and you can basically see my screen at the same time. So if you want, you can actually go ahead and, as it says on the screen, you can get your free guide and exclusive video training. It's a full over an hour video training from myself where I actually show you how to get 100 top quality leads every single day, and you'll see all of the proof of how it works step by step, and I will show you the best system that can help you to earn income online on autopilot. So go ahead and click that link below. Alright, so this is like a live recording. You might see me touching the screen a little bit as we go, but don't worry about that. Let me show you my Gmail right now, so if this will open up. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I've opened up my email, and basically, like, you can see the inbox now. I'll make my camera a bit smaller so it's clearer. Okay, so you can see my inbox, and I've just brought up all the emails that show people have subscribed to my mailing list, so they've chosen to go ahead and get the free guide and get the free training, and they've actually subscribed. So let me just show you. This is from solo ads. So about 90% of these emails are from solo ads, and I will just scroll now. You can see from today, literally like 10 minutes ago, we just got a subscriber, which is awesome. Shout out to everybody who has joined and become part of my community, and you're actually watching this video. Shout out to you. So if I keep scrolling, you'll see like today, earlier, loads of leads coming in, like loads of leads coming in the whole time. Like, this is amazing. So I love it. So I'll keep scrolling. There's loads of leads coming in today, and then now we're going back a few days. Leads every day, 20th of August. I mean, it's just like there is an abundance of leads coming in. So amazing, like so cool. Look at all of these, like, oh my gosh. So I'm not gonna keep it, I'm not gonna open any emails or anything, because I just want to show you just like the abundance of how many leads are coming in, all the way down, like all the way down. If I can keep scrolling, this is going like so far now. Pages and pages and pages of subscribers. That is the result of the work that I do, and this is why I share with other self-employed entrepreneurs and marketers and small business owners how you can use the same marketing asset that I'm building up. You can use the same thing in your business. It's really easy once you follow the steps. So you can do all that I've done, you can get all that I've done and even more. Like, it is incredible. It's so easy. Let me just bring this back right now and make the camera bigger. So that is like just for the last month, that was showing you like the leads for the last month. And I started doing this like earlier in the year, months ago. So there's even more subscribers, but that was to just give you a demo so you could see like it really does work. Most of the leads are just coming in when I'm sleeping, or when I'm out and about with my daughter, or when I'm maybe having something to eat, or on a date, or traveling, or just having a cruise in my car. So I really appreciate that so much, because it gives me more time freedom, and I just really love that. I do put in the hard work as well. So I do like do my writing, creating videos, answering questions, and actually going on to the next step of delivering services. So that is part of it as well. But you can do that as well. Like, if you're looking to grow your own personal business, your personal brand, and you want to sell services, you want to do coaching, or you want to get more people to know about your business, your website, then you can put that system into your business without having to interrupt anything else that you are doing. So you can get extra cash streams from affiliate marketing, and also start to reach more people, get them to know, like, and trust you, and then you'll see how you can later actually offer your services, and it all fits together. So really, really important. This is what I've learned from my 7-figure experts, and this is what I'm sharing with you today. I hope you found that useful and very, very valuable. Do remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up when you're watching this, so I know that you're really there and I know that you're real. Lots of love, and I will see you on my next video. Deuces.